Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel and you have not done that yet, guys, make sure you click on that subscribe button. So, last week we did analysis for this week. We said, and I will say it clearly, that we will be expecting a bullish move for the week on our gold. And gold gave us exactly what we predicted it to give us. We said that gold will definitely going to give us a bullish move for the week, and gold gave us that bullish move. You can clearly see it. This is a massive bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe and you have not yet subscribed, now is the best time to actually go ahead and subscribe so that our next updates that we are going to be dropping for you, you would not miss out on the updates. So you would be updated back to back. So in order for you not to miss out on the back to back updates, click on the subscribe button, like this video, share. I will also be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel also in order for you to stay updated. Now let's see what market is going to be doing for us this week on our gold. So first thing first, we need to understand what the trend is. So basically, before you take a trade, you need to understand something. What is the trend of that trade? And as you can clearly see, gold is in an uptrend. So as you can clearly see, gold is giving us an uptrend move. Now let's start with the movement on gold. So we had this first high on gold. Then gold was able to give a pullback, which is on our weekly time frame. Have that in mind. Have it in mind. And this is a weekly time frame. So have it in mind that this is our weekly time frame, right? This market was able to push up again. As you can see, this massive high, the market was able to give us a pullback, which is an higher low. Market then give us a new high. You can see it, and here is the higher low, right? Market was able to push up one more time to give us a new high right here. You can see the new high, right? So as a wise trader, right, especially if you are a swing trader, one thing you should be watching out for next that will likely play out next on your goal is a pullback. Remember, once you have the high, an higher low should play out next. Then after the higher low, a new higher high should play out. So what you can clearly see on our goal is that a new higher high has been made. So guys, watch out for an higher low which will be playing anytime soon. Will the higher low be playing this week is what we can't tell. You all know that you can't be 100% right in your prediction. So all you just need to do is just analyze it and see what market does. And we will need to trade with what market is doing, not what we think. So we might be thinking that markets will give us an higher low this week. And that should not mean you should go ahead and take the trade. Only take it once market starts giving higher low. So trade what you see and not what you think. So right now, what market is it? Market is still pushing up, by the way. So when you go down to the 4-hour daily time frame, this is a massive high that market has played. So if you're a smart trader or you're a wise trader, now is not the best time to go ahead and take your buy. Now is not the best opportunity to go ahead and take your buy. In fact, you should start closing in on your profit if you are in buy on gold. Because if you take a look at this gold movement here, gold was able to push up and the pullback, it's exhausted. Gold was able to push up one more time and it pulled back, which exhausted, right? And this is a massive movement that gold has given. So one thing you should be expecting now is an exhaustion, basically a pullback. So that is one of the reasons why I said there is a possibility that gold will give us a bearish move this week, meaning a pullback, right? So have that in mind. So now have it in mind that this is the weekly time frame, right? Now on our 4-hour time frame, expect a pullback anytime soon. So guys, be very careful going in on the buy because this is a massive bullish move that has been made on our daily time frame. So a pullback is what you should be expecting, and the pullback will not be much, by the way. Pullback will just be a minor pullback like on your 4-hour time frame, something like this on your 4-hour time frame pullback, then one more push up. Probably that pullback should come to tap the trend and the 10-period simple moving average. Then you can go ahead and take your buy. So let's see what market do, right? I'm going to still give you guys more updates on this. So in order for you not to miss out on the update, it is very simple. Click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel, guys, in order for you not to miss out on any updates. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.